Hello. Today I'm going to talk to you about some Cyanotype sprints, tone Cyanotype sprint I created a few weeks ago, and it has to do. I used images I created through AI tools. Cyanotype is an alternative process which is created in around 1842, and I decided to do this project as I was kind of out of ideas or interesting images from my main photography, and I thought, and I was playing with AI, so it came to me, why not combine the two? And actually, it's quite interesting because cyanotype is an alternative process which is created around 1842, and we know that AI creation, image creation, at least at this stage, it has few years or months since it started being available. And I shared with you a few days ago, a video about the salt printing, and this was the second technique I tried. First, before that, I tried Cyanotype, and I used for that the Berger, if I say that correct, kit, and it has the two chemicals you need in a separate bottles. So you mix equal amounts of them on a container, and then you apply it to a paper, and you allow to dry. And after it dries, I take the negative, which in my case it was like I had the AI generated image, I inverted in elements, and then print it in a transparency, and then I place it on the top of the image, and then as I did in my salt printing, I place it below an infrared lamp, and I'll maybe attach also my setting there. I expose it for a few minutes, and then I rinse it in water. After the first rinse, I allow to dry, and then I toned it by immersed it in some coffee solution, just instant coffee solution. I can show you the samples of this work. And then I allow to dry again and rinse it. So these are the images generated. Like I was playing around with like a Stoic philosopher and things about something or death or words for something or prompts like that. And just to give you an idea, it's like if I haven't toned the image, it will look like that. It's a different. This was like from a photo I took. So the cyanotype is called cyanotype because it has this bluish tone. But for me, I wasn't so happy, especially with painted photos, so I used the toning. And here are some more examples. And it's quite interesting how AI interprets what you suggest to it, and I was considering initially not as a creative process, but actually we put the text, and then we have the choice between the images. This was related to a more fatty, and this one concepts of the Stoic philosophy. And then again this one. And this one is the last for this project, and I started the second project, but I only have one image to show you. I was playing with generating images from my home city. It's called the Saloniki in Greece, and one of the landmarks is White Tower. So it picked it, and it looks like you can tell it's the Saloniki, but all this place around it's not like the reality. So it's different structures. But I think it's quite interesting what it picks. And another thing I like about these prints is the imperfection of it. Is the beauty of imperfection. So especially in this one, you can see the brushes, and it gives it a more artistic style. I want to keep exploring more about cyanotypes and have not only different subjects, possibly I don't know what yet, but I want to try different toning. In these steps, I only after the image was drying, I put it in a coffee solution. First wet a little and then put it in coffee solution and then allow to dry. But there are people suggesting that you can also bleach it first. So you put it in a bleach solution and you remove the blue, and then it's becoming kind of transparent. And then you can tone it either with instant coffee or with green tea or black tea. and those like giving different type of final color. I think that's all for today. It was I've done this images some time ago, but I haven't shared it actually a lot, and I thought maybe somebody like it because I think it's the idea that's interesting, that to me at least, combining technology of 150 years ago to something which is contemporary. So if you have any questions, or if you want to make any comment, feel free to do so. And also if you like my work and you want to see more videos, feel free to like or subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye.